Two of the medalists are available for this final. Ajay Kumar Saroj with bib number 452, being the gold medal winner in all the three, that is Federation Cup, Interstate and last edition of this championship. Sashi Bhushan is the another medalist, and that happens to be the start of the final of 1500 meters for men. As they have taken up, it is 5-6-1. Abhinan Sundaresan of Services leading the pack. Being followed by 503 Jasbir of Services. And at present in the third spot we have 457 Abhishek Paul of Railways. All the 10 athletes are moving together without much of gap between them. They're maintaining the same pace. 10 moving one after the other. 561 still maintains Abhinan Sundaresan of Services. Following him we have Jasbir of Services. In the third spot we have Abhishek Paul of Railways. In the fourth spot it is 226 Parvez Khan of Haryana. And following him we have Ankit of Services. It is 503 now taking over the leadership, with that is Jasbir of Services is taking over and leading the pack. The 1500 athletes will have to go for 2 more laps. Even though they got scattered, leaving just one athlete just behind, all others are one after the other. And it is a 503 Jasbir of Services maintaining his lead. Jasbir is being followed by Abhishek Paul of Railways, and at the third spot it is Parvez Khan of Haryana. Following him is 452 Ajay Kumar Saroj of Railways. And that bell sound indication tells us the leader will have to go for the last lap in the finals of 1500 meters. And that is 226 who is in the lead. Parvez Khan of Haryana had taken over the lead. And that is Parvez Khan. Following him we have Ajay Kumar Saroj of Railways. Even though they are so closer, Parvez Khan of Haryana is putting up the pace and moving rapidly towards the finish to win the gold. Closely following him is Ajay Kumar Saroj. Anyhow, he can settle only for silver. And for the third spot we have 173 Rahul of Delhi. And that happens to be a very good race. Parvez Khan not allowing